All right, if you are a PC user, so you have a Dell or an HP or any type of a Windows machine, your home screen should look something like this. Down at the bottom, you'll see the taskbar. This is where you can come to organize or to access any of your applications that are downloaded onto your computer. You'll see over here in the far left, the Start button. This is how you would access all of the applications that are available on your computer. So Word, Excel, anything like that is going to be here, as well as your settings and any type of preferences that you have. On this, you'll also see the Microsoft Edge browser icon, Google Chrome, as well as Firefox. Now, if you are a Mac user, your homepage is going to look something like this. So at the top, you'll see the taskbar. So this is very similar to what is at the bottom of the Windows. This is where you can come to adjust your system preferences, your settings, do anything with file and editing. And then you have some of your additional parts up here, the clock, some notifications will come up from up here. You can search here just like you could on the Windows machines. You'll also see here your battery and your Wi-Fi information. And then down here is going to be all of your icons for various applications. These are going to likely be just the applications that you use the most. And then right here is the launch pad. So this is the equivalent of the Start button on the Windows machine. This is just going to be where all of the applications can be accessed on your computer. So you're going to click on that and you'll see a lot more applications than what is down here in your taskbar. Now, some parts of Chrome or any type of an internet browser that's good to know. Up here, you'll see the address bar. So this is where a URL is going to go. So that could be something as simple as lwvlexington.com. Click on that, and that is going to bring you to your website. From here, you'll see that you can go backwards, you can go forward, go back to that same website. You can refresh. This is often one of my favorite buttons. If something is not loading, I will refresh that there. You'll see here there are some additional things. Don't really worry about these quite yet, but if you're there and you're interested, this little button, whenever you see the square with an arrow pointing up, that is going to indicate that you can share the content. So you can copy the link instead of just copying and pasting it. And you can do some other things as well, sharing it to Facebook, Twitter. And then over here, if you have any extensions, you'll see them here, but don't worry about that. You probably won't have any extensions. And then right here is where you're going to see your Google profile information. And then right here with the 3 buttons, in addition to being able to add a tab or a window here, this is also where you can see your history, anything you've downloaded, bookmarks. You can adjust the window zoom. So if you wanted to zoom in more, or if you wanted to zoom out, that can all be changed from right there. You can also make your screen full screen and then print. So if there's anything online that you are wanting to print, anything on a Google Drive document that you are wanting to print, this is a great place. So again, just coming right up to these 3 buttons. And then you can do some more here. You can copy and paste if you don't like to right click. And then you can also access any help. You'll see here that it says managed by lwvky.org. This is really important, and this is one of the reasons that we want to use our Chrome profiles, is because this is kind of like our corner of the internet. So with Google for nonprofits, there come a couple of perks, which we will talk about as the training progresses. But again, just important to mention there.